To remove the gearbox from your Parker 211 lawnmower, start by removing the blade bolt. Once the blade kit is out of the way, remove the securing nut and bolts from the belt cover, then unscrew the 2 belt cover screws. Once the belt is prized off the drive shaft, the tension spring can be disconnected from the gearbox. Next, the handles need to be disconnected from the drive cable and the drive cable securing bolt unscrewed. When removing the wheels, please note the 2 wheel cogs are marked L and R for their respective place and will have to be reassembled as such. Remove the 2 holding plates underneath the gearbox's axle. Finally, using a pair of pliers, disconnect the drive cable from the gearbox and then remove the height adjusting handle attached, and the complete gearbox assembly should now be completely removed.